Welcome! Today, we will explore how to make your Gemini responses truly stunning and interactive. First, let's dive into visual layout mode. It's a powerful tool for enhancing your designs. With just a few clicks, you can create an eye-catching layout that stands out. Incorporate stunning visuals like images, icons, and charts to elevate your content. Don't forget to make interactions fun. Use engaging animations that bring your designs to life. Ready to impress? Let's bring your Gemini responses to the next level with visual layout mode. Now, add personal touches. Customizing elements enhances user connection. Remember, simplicity is key. Ensure that your layout is clean and easy to navigate. Test your responses. Interactivity is all about user feedback and experience. Lastly, stay updated with trends. This keeps your designs fresh and relevant. You're now equipped to create stunning Gemini responses. Let your creativity shine. Thanks for watching. Now, go ahead and make your Gemini responses unforgettable.